Okay, guys, let's take a look at the South Africa Math Olympiad problem. All right, so the question just want us to prove that this expression is an integer. Okay, it's an integer. So before we're gonna talk about this one, let's talk about the complete square formula. So we have a square plus 2ab plus b square equal a plus b all together square. Okay, this is called complete square. If this is subtraction sign, and then this guy must be subtraction sign. So keep that in mind, okay? Keep this one in mind, okay? So I'm gonna box this formula. We're gonna use this formula later. Okay. Now we have 4 minus 2 root 3 under the radical side right here. So we need to find ways to eliminate the radical side right here. So in order to eliminate the radical side right here, we need to turn 4 minus 2 root 3 into a complete square. Okay, into a complete square. Okay, so let's see. Let me try it over here. So 4 minus 2 root 3. Okay, all right, square root like this equal square root. Okay, now I have this guy right here. So in order to turn this one into complete square, right, which is right here, okay, we need to find a square, okay, we need to find 2ab, okay, we need to find b square, okay. If we have 3 terms like this, we can turn this one into complete square right here, okay. So I look at this one, then, and this is tells us this is the middle term right here, okay. This one is the middle term, okay. So basically, I just rewrite this one minus 2. Okay, so minus 2, which is minus 2 right here. Okay, now I need to find a b. I only have root 3 left because I wrote negative 2 right here. Okay, and again negative 2 right here come from the formula right here. Okay, now I only have root 3 left. um, Root 3 left, and root 3 right here, which is a and b right here, a and b right here. So I need to find a and b, so that when a multiplied by 3 equal root 3. So obviously, okay, a, I can say that it could be root 3, and b, I can say that 1, right? Because only this is the only case. Root 3 times 1 is going to be root 3. So I already have a and b right here, okay? So keep that in mind. This is my a, this is my b. But I don't know if it's right or wrong. I need to check it, okay? So I need to check. I have a right here. So the first term right here should be a square. So I have this is should be root 3 square, right? This is root 3 square because a equal root 3. Now the last terms right here should be b square, but b might be equal 1. So it should be 1 square, okay? Now I check, I need to simplify. I check it to see if it's equal 4 minus 2 root 3. If it's right, I keep it. If it's not right, I need to find another way, okay? So I look at this one. Root 3 square equal 3, right? This is negative 2 root 3, 1. It should be negative 2 root 3, right? And this is 1 square should be plus 1, right? Now 1 plus 3 equal 4. 4 minus 2 root 3. Oh, it's right. So my expression right here is correct. Okay, so I keep it, and my a right here equal to 3, my b right here equal 1. This right too. Okay, so I keep this one. Now when I have this one, I can turn this one into complete square because I already find a b, right? So my a right here should be root 3, my b right here should be 1. I use this formula right here. So I just write square root of a root 3, okay, b 1 right here, and then the side right here, okay, this is determine the side right here, okay, subtract, okay, so close open parenthesis, close parenthesis, square, okay. Next one, so this one square, all right, when you take square root of a number, you need to put it in the absolute value, root 3 minus 1 absolute value, okay, when you take square root of this one, okay. Now keep that in mind. Root 3 minus 1, we need to know this guy positive and negative. So we need to use the formula right here, okay, right here. Absolute value of a number is positive, right? If that number is positive, okay? So root 3 minus 1 right here. Now we're gonna check root 3 and minus and 1 right here. Which one bigger? Root 3, which means 1.7, okay? So 1.7 greater than 1, right? So does that mean root 3 minus 1, okay, I subtract 1 both sides. Root 3 minus 1 should be greater than 0, right? So this guy greater than 0. If this guy greater than 0, okay, and then when you eliminate the absolute value right here, and it should be itself, okay, it doesn't change at all. So it could be root 3 minus 1. Okay, so I leave it, the first one. Okay, now the second one, I'm going to talk about this guy. This is more complicated right here. Okay, so I have root 97 minus 56 root 3. Okay, again, okay, I need to turn this guy into complete square. Okay, so I just put the radical side right here. Okay, now I need to write the middle term, my middle term right here. All right, I always have number 2 right here. Okay, so I put negative 2 right here. Okay, now if I take 2 out of this guy, okay, so does that mean I have 28 root 3 left, right? 28 root 3 left. So you need to find a and you need to find b, so that when you square a, you square b, you add them up equal 97. Okay, so then this one I just write like right here, 7 times 4 times root 3. Now I can choose a. This is my a equal 7, b equal 4 root 3. Okay, so I just put it right over here and I check later. Okay, I check it later. So basically I have times 7 times 4 root 3. Okay, again I choose this, I choose a equal 7. Okay, I choose b equal 4 root 3. Okay, but anyway I'm going to check it later to see if it's correct or no. Okay, now I have a right here, and then a squared should be 7 squared, right? And then b equal 4 root 3, so it's going to be plus 4 root 3 all together square. Now I'm going to check it to see if it's right or wrong. Okay, so 2 times 7 times 4 root 3, this is absolutely negative 56 root 3, right? Okay, this is fine. Now my a right here, a square equal 49, right? And then this guy square, which means plus 4 square equal 16. 16 root 3 square equal 3, right? So it could be 49 plus 48. Okay, 49 plus 48 equal 97, which is correct right here, 97. Okay, so my a equal 7 and my b equal 4 root 3 work really well, right? Okay, so I erase everything right here. Okay, so okay, all right, now I turn this guy into complete square because I have a equal 7, so I just write 7 right here, b equal 4 root 3. Okay, 4 root 3 right here. Okay, all right, the side right here, subtract the side right here, I put it down right here. Okay, and now open parenthesis, close parenthesis, square, and don't forget to put the radical side, right? And then when you take the square root of this guy, you need to put it inside the absolute value. Okay, so it should be 7 minus 4 root 3. Okay, now I need to know if this positive or negative. I need to compare 7 and 4 root 3. Okay, I need to compare this one. So in order to know which one bigger, okay, so I just square this one. If I square this one equal 49, I square this one, it's gonna be 48. So I see that 49 greater than 48, which means 7 minus 7 greater than 4 root 3. Okay, 7 greater than 4 root 3. 7 greater than 4 root 3. Okay, so does that mean 7 minus 4 root 3 greater than 0, right? So if it's greater than 0, when you eliminate the absolute value sign, and then it's gonna be itself, so it's gonna be 7 minus 4 root 3. Okay, so I leave it over there. Now I need to rewrite this one, so my expression should be 4, right? 4 times this guy, but this guy is right here, root 3 times 1, right here. So it can be parenthesis root 3 minus 1, okay? And then plus, right, plus this guy, but this guy is going to be right here, okay? Plus 7 minus 4 root 3, okay? And then I just distribute this guy, right? Distribute 4 times root 3, this could be 4 root 3, right? 4 times negative 1 should be negative 4, plus 7 minus 4 root 3, right? Okay, 4 root 3 and 4 and negative 4 root 3 gone. 7 minus 4, it should be 3. And this is my final answer. This is an integer. Alright, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next video. Thank you. Bye.